In this video, we will be conducting experiments to gather data. Jasbir and Summer wanted to answer this question. Does doubling the height of the ramp double the distance a toy car travels? To find out, they let a toy car roll down a ramp of height 10 centimeters, then measured the distance the car traveled from the end of the ramp. Then, the students doubled the height of the ramp to 20 centimeters and then to 40. They did 3 trials for each height of the ramp and recorded the results. They had this at 10 centimeters and let the car roll down, and then they measured how far, and then they made this taller each time. So here's the data that the students collected. At a ramp height of 10, the car traveled 60 centimeters, 58 centimeters, and 61 centimeters. At 20 centimeters, it traveled 118, 120, and 121. And at 40 centimeters, it traveled 235, 241, and 238. The car traveled about 60 centimeters when the height of the ramp was 10. When the height of the ramp was doubled, the distance traveled was also doubled. So when we look at these are all just about double of 60, so 120. When the height of the ramp was doubled to 40, the distance traveled also doubled. So 120 times 2 is 240. And each of these numbers are pretty close to that 240 mark. From the data, Jasbir and Summer concluded that doubling the height of the ramp doubles the distance a toy car travels. When we are doing experiments, this is another way that we can collect data. So one way is to do a questionnaire like we talked about previously, but this way here we're actually trying something out and seeing what happens. So other common data collection is rolling a dice, and so this first practice question is going to have you roll a dice to see what is going on. So if you can find 2 dice, just from any board game is fine. You guys can do this one. And then there's some other examples here. And so when we're collecting data, there's lots of different ways that we can get that data, and it really depends on what we're trying to find as to what we're going to use. So try these questions out. Let me know if you have any issues or questions, and I will help you out.